Hello and welcome back. This is video number 9. This is how to test your pixel is active. So this is a very crucial step, a very important step of the process, because you want to make sure that before you run any ads that you have properly placed your pixels. So how do we do that? We do that by simply downloading a Chrome extension, which is free, called Facebook Pixel Helper. And what that does is it detects whether you have a pixel on the specific page that you're looking at. So let's say, for example, the funnel has 3 different pages. We can go to those 3 different pages and see what Facebook Pixel Helper is telling us. So it'll tell us, whether it can see the view content or the add to cart or the purchase code and all of that. So you want to go to Google, type in Facebook Pixel Helper, and you want to choose the one at the top that says Facebook Pixel Helper, Google Chrome. If you click on this link, you'll be sent to this page. And as you can see, this is kind of an example of what you would see. So if you go to a page, it would say a pixel is found. So go ahead and click Add to Chrome. So as you can see already, I have it in my Google Chrome extension library. So whenever you visit a site, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, but you can see in the far right-hand corner this grayed out icon. The way it works is whenever you visit a page, this will light up and it'll turn green. And if you click on it, you'll actually be able to see the pixel code number as well as the standard event. So let's go ahead and go to a page and do a test. Okay, so in this example, I have gone to clickbank.com, which is a site and a marketplace where you can find a lot of digital products. Now, if I click on this here, so if we zoom in, you can see that the Facebook Pixel Helper has turned from gray to a blue color, and it has the number 3. Now, if we click on it, you can see that it says 1 pixel has been found. It tells you the pixel ID, and it says page view. So if we click that, we can see it's in green and it works. Now, if you go to your pages and you see page view and view content, then you're good to go. Or if you go to, let's say, the add to cart page and you see page view and add to cart, that means that you have successfully implemented that pixel on that page. So this basically allows you to see whether or not you did it correctly. And if you did it correctly, that says that you are now ready to start running ads. So congratulations, you've reached the end of this course, and that's it. Go ahead and take action and start implementing your pixels in your funnels so that way you can start seeing what is happening in your funnel.